Hello, and God bless you, everyone. Today, we would like to talk to you about All the Nations AG Church's online giving. At All the Nations, we have a program called Simple Church. Through Simple Church, you have Simple Church Giving. It is available on all devices. You can access it on your computer through allthenations.simplechurchcrm.com. You can do text giving, and we even offer giving through PayPal. The first way you can access Simple Church is through your computer by going to allthenations.simplechurchcrm.com. You will need a user ID and a password. The only way you can get one is by having one assigned to you by our treasurer, Jackie Cruz. If you do not have one, at the end of this tutorial, I will show you 3 different ways that you can contact her, and she will be more than happy to help you. The second way you can access Simple Church is by the Simple Church app. You can use this app on all your devices, your mobile devices. All you need to do is download the Simple Church app, which is available at the Apple Store and your Google Play Store. Once you download the app, it is going to ask you for 3 different things. The first thing it will ask is for the domain. You will enter the domain as All the Nations. Then it's going to ask you for your user ID and your password. This is the same user ID and password that the treasurer needs to assign to you. Again, if you don't have one, at the end of this tutorial, I will show you 3 different ways you can contact Jackie Cruz, and she will be more than happy to get you set up. Your next option is through our Simple Church text giving. You must do this through your text app on your phone. Click on New Message. In the to box, you're going to type 856-249-4300. In the comment box, you're going to put the amount. For example, you could put $1 and then you're going to click send. You will receive a message telling you to click on the link in order to complete the one-time registration. Once you've put in your information and your information is confidential, you will receive a text telling you that your giving was successful. This is our most popular and easiest way for you to give. Finally, our last option that you have to give is through PayPal. All you need to do is go to our website at www.allthenationsag.com. Once you get there, you will scroll down the page till you get to the yellow donate button. When you click on that yellow donate button, you will be taken to our PayPal page where you will put in your information and you are able to give your offerings, your tithings, or any other contributions you want to give to our church. These are the 3 different ways that you can give to All the Nations Assembly of God Church. If you have any questions or any trouble with any of these options, please contact our treasurer, Jackie Cruz, through Facebook or her email, cruz46@aol.com, or you can call or text her at 609-774-1115, and she will be more than happy to help you. We want to thank you again from All the Nations Assembly of God Church for your faithfulness, for your generosity. God bless everybody.